Okay, we are live. Yeah. So we are live.
It's live.
Yes, it's live now.
Okay.
Yeah. Please, can you introduce yourself? Even though we all know you, but can you kindly introduce yourself?
Okay. Well, hello viewers. I greet all of you wherever you may be. My name is Aloy Ejimako. I am a legal practitioner and the special counsel to the indigenous people of Biafra and its supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Seated with me here are my co-counsels. On my left is Barrister Patrick Agazie, and on my right is Barrister Oheto Owazie. They are not sitting with me here today by accident. They are sitting with me here today because they have been part and parcel of this very difficult journey.
Okay. Yeah, we observe that today is a fundamental human rights suit of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in High Court here in Umuahia. Please, can you tell us what transpired today in court?
Well, yes. It was before the Federal High Court here in Umuahia, and the matter came up today for hearing, and three of us were in court, and I have spoken to a whole lot of people today, so it appears I may be losing my voice, so I will yield to my colleagues. They are as familiar with this case as I am, so Barrister Agazie will address you first. He will give you a brief synopsis of the case, and whatever he left off will be addressed by Barrister Owazie. Thank you.
Okay, yes. Barrister Agazie, please go ahead and address us on what happened today.
Okay, thank you, viewers. We are here in the Federal High Court. In the Federal High Court, Umuahia Division, and the matter between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Federal Republic of Nigeria was called up around 10:15 a.m. this morning. Justice Evelyn Ayadike decided to take our arguments on the issue she raised suo motu. And what is the issue, or what was the issue, which was raised on the last adjourned date, being 23rd day of June 2022. She demanded that we address her on whether she has the territorial jurisdiction to hear and determine this matter. And that motion raised by court, suo motu, was heard today. Parties filed written address as she ordered. The Counsel representing the federal government of Nigeria, Mr. Enoch, was absent in court, even though we discovered that the DSS came to monitor the proceedings on their behalf. But court looked at its record and decided that the adoption should be done today. And we did adopt. What are we asking? We are simply asking courts to check the validity or otherwise of bringing Mr. Kanu into Nigeria from Kenya, whether there is a breach in his fundamental rights, a two-nation that is governed by treaties and laws. We made references to Article 12.4 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. We made references to Section 251 sub I and R of the Constitution and Order 2 of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules 2009. Now the court has adjourned to 4th of October for a ruling. So we are expecting, if our arguments are taken by court, we will adopt our processes and then go down to judgment. If the other way we lose, we hopefully don't think we will lose. If we lose, we will now wait for whatever ruling the court will make. That was the business of today.
Okay, thank you for the clearance. Sir, please, Can you say anything based on this?
Yeah, my two seniors have said it all. Let me just add one or two things. We were all in court today in high spirit, and my Lord himself was also fully in charge of his court. And when the matter was called up, we were fully represented, but the counsel representing the federal government were conspicuously absent. No letter was written to that effect, no telephone call. But in that, today's date, they were party to taking today's date. The last adjourned date, though the court didn't sit, they were present. Both parties took today and adopted today's date, but today they were absent. And the judge went ahead and asked us to move our motions, which was right, because court does not wait any party. So we adopted our motions, and then the court adjourned for ruling 4th of October.
Okay.
So it was okay for us.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Sir, can you make a kind of conclusion?
Concluding remarks coming from me, I will be very brief. My two colleagues here have done justice to the issue that came before the court today, and we are looking forward to prevailing. We're looking forward to garnering victory on the 4th of October. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did nothing wrong to deserve what he got in Kenya. So the idea that what happened in Kenya does not implicate the jurisdiction of Federal High Court here is something that we have done very much justice to. So on the 4th of October, we expect to be triumphant. And on that note, I greet all of you and I thank you for watching.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for your audience.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, now